The threat is now, I mean, the S&P futures turned on this. The threat that he would propose a government shutdown, not fund the government if he doesn't get the money for his wall. How real is that threat? Quantify this lampoon for us this morning.
We should point out that Neil Williams
We should indeed. Excuse me, Neil. Excuse me.
Hermes chief economist. Welcome, Neil. I'm sorry. As we
at
were
all.
on the conversation about Trump.
Well, I think it really sets up a even more fraught dynamic for September when Congress returns. They're going to have a very short period of time to fund the government and also raise the federal debt ceiling. Both of those deadlines are coming up at the end of September. They don't return until after U.S. Labor Day, so they have, about 3 weeks to get all this done. Trump isn't really helping himself. He's going to need the help of Republicans in Congress, and, he's basically been in a feud with the Senate Majority Leader. He's just as recently as last night was sort of taking aim at, the Arizona senators, John McCain and Jeff Flake, in his remarks in Phoenix. So I think, it's going to be a difficult situation. Congress doesn't usually do very well when they have a short amount of time to accomplish a goal, and this just raises the stakes. So we'll have to see.
What are the chances then that Congress gives Trump what he wants, both sides of the aisle, I guess?
I mean, Democrats have been pretty clear that they're not going to, they've drawn their own line in the sand, and they've been pretty clear that they're not going to accept any kind of funding for a border wall. Trump is really kind of boxing himself in now because now he's in the position of either having to back down and look weak, which we know he doesn't like doing, or, press ahead and potentially have a government shutdown. In the Senate, at least, there's not going to be, just the way the Senate works, they would need 60 votes for a spending bill, which means that definitionally you're going to need Democrats to support it. So he's really kind of painted himself once again on yet another issue into a corner.